Productions.
Hello guys.
Share the video. The new generation don't land again. Share the video. Share the video. Viva Pretty, you're welcome. First to comment. Share the video. Osilama, you're welcome, my queen. I love you so much, Osilama. Destiny, you are welcome. Hamina, you are welcome. Lovette, you are welcome.
You didn't give me love, yeah. Oh, yeah, you my baby, yeah. Oh, my baby.
Share the video. The new generation has arrived again. Share the video.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're so much, oh, yeah. Now you I choose. We will go mess up.
Share the video.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're so much, oh, yeah. Now you I choose. We will go mess up.
Share the video.
She know do. She know they do gra-gra.
Share the video. I went shopping for my husband. Now no say I don't fit tell now. Today now one review and now one show her.
If your love like cry more, she did bring me to my knees. Make we talk to God, oh. Now I know why love
Share the
is
video.
best.
The new generation has arrived.
You make me come alive. You didn't give me love, yeah. Oh yeah, you my baby, yeah, yeah.
Share the video.
Baby,
Eh.
oh yeah, you my baby, yeah, yeah.
Share the video. Sorry. Share the video. The new generation don't land. Share the video. Share the video. The new generation don't land. Una Germany Cardi B, don't come again. Share the video. If you believe that I am your German Cardi B, share this video. Share the video. Hello everyone, welcome back again to another episode of Showcasing Lifestyle and many more. How you are doing? Hope you are doing fine. If so, glory be to God. So just in case you're watching me for the first time, I goes by the names Iyobosa Enogie, aka Bone Straight Queen, aka Ogbongelicious Mama, aka Sobobo Mama, aka her husband, wife, and side chick, aka the ageless Mamito, aka the queen of all positivity, aka beauty with brain, aka the money spender, aka the richest woman in Deutschland, aka I bet my people help me put the remaining AK for inside because I want to make the money for my name in case anybody want to attack me. So the AK will be say they inside
Go give them.
You go rise up against them. Alongside with my dear beloved husband, aka Odonekpo, aka Odone Hesi, aka my unsnatchable husband, aka my untouchable husband, aka certified married man, aka aka his wife husband and side dude, aka oh God, I want to describe this man, aka Black Diamond, aka Sweetie Pie, sweet for under, sweet for lips, sweet delicious everywhere, aka oh God,
When I help her put the rest, the Bone Straight Queen worldwide. Oh yeah, when I help her put them.
so our people, Muna help her put the many
AKA, my husband buy me this. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
AKA, my husband buy me this.
Oh, yeah.
I bet my people, Muna help us put the remaining AK for inside.
AKA Jama Cardi B, no be lie.
AKA Jama Cardi B. Yo, you know what I mean?
AKA my husband buy me this, so yeah. My husband buy me that.
AKA Boss Queen. So my people, share. AKA that, AKA a man that can show money boldly on social media because my legal genuine money. AKA the only man.
Let us go slow for the whole Europe.
For the whole Europe. AKA the only man.
Even our grandmama, everybody show face.
AKA the only man. AKA the only man where his daughter birthday scatter everywhere.
The whole Europe. AKA, you dey hear so? AKA, the only man where his daughter, he comes go slow for the whole Europe. Go reach all our everybody talk good. Now go there. And this is just the beginning. Another gbedu they come. Okay.
AKA husband buy me Jama government. Yes, sir. Hey, God. So on the 31st is Mimi's birthday. Our baby daughter she's going to be 1 year old on the 31st of December.
That one and Christmas go slow. That one I did the highest though. Christmas go slow all over Europe.
Explain and give the So on the 31st of December is going to be Mimi's birthday. But I'm not sure say we go celebrate on that day because on the 31st of December now public holiday for Germany. You are not allowed to play music. You are not allowed to be loud. Now silent. What the German called Ruhe Tag. That is silent day. You understand? So maybe if we want to do the party, the bedu, so that I go suburb or where.
Maybe after we do the cutting of the cake.
Yes.
The rig bedu go be after the
like on the second, holiday. On the third. So we go fix dates.
On the second or on the third. So now the bedu go happen.
Okay.
But the cutting of the cake.
All right. Please guys go follow them Emma and Kiss family show. All right. Shebi as you advertise your page for year now. Hey, you mean well for me, you mean good for me. And because if you be all those type where people say you don't like Mrs. Iyobosa and you they come here, they promote your page, hey, it not make sense. So
because others don't fair do one like
this one. Okay, it come back. Thank God. Thank you, Master Jesus. It came back. Hello, people. Are you still here?
This winter period.
Are you still here? Una 2 day for you. I'll be your head.
You know, say this winter period now.
Thank God. Our people don't go. No problem. They'll come back. It was network, my people. Network. Are you here? Say hi. What did I miss? So which party they plan? So we are planning on our daughter's on our baby daughter's birthday. Okay. So we go announce. Share the video. Network. They want the 4 hour hands small. Share the video. So before I go start, I want to introduce waiting I wear because I went shopping for my dear beloved husband. Okay. I bought him some beautiful clothes, some beautiful dress where be say he they like, and if you wear them, it they turn me on, okay? Turn me on, let me join you. Caress my body, you got it crazy, yo. Turn me on. Okay, all right. Okay, share. So, before we go do that one, so this part where beside wear, okay, is from Nike. Okay, this from Nike. If you want to get it, you can get it by spot checks, okay? So now no say all waiting that they wear, all the brand where beside they wear. So they are all original, whether it's Gucci for your eye, not Gucci for your eye. Anything where beside wear, as far as saying that the original brand is more than Gucci to me, and it's more than Prada, okay? So I'm wearing this original original Nike pants, okay, or tight or leggings. So this shoe where beside wear, this shoe is from Catwalk. This shoe, now me and my 2 children, I get okay. So they get their own, so why me get my own? So the same color. So the top way beside wear is from New York, okay? Very, very affordable. So this waist bead way beside wear, if you need this bead, contact me, okay? Contact me, okay? This bead, is from my dear beloved husband, okay? Where be say buy for me, not day you understand. Anytime one get down, not they wine now, they turn the head. If I ask him 50 euro, he go come give me 200 euro. So this hair where be say wear, una know say on my hair na virgin hair. I know they wear synthetic. If I want wear synthetic, it have to be braid, okay? So this hair where be say wear, this is the first, as in this is my first colored hair. After black, so many black hair. So this one is my first colored hair, this blonde, okay? This hair, now the first colored hair where be say my husband start to take the back colored hair for me, okay? So if you are here and you are watching me, okay? Don't copy Mrs. Iyobosa's lifestyle. I dey talk all the time because not be your brother, me I marry. Not be your husband, now me I marry. You cannot come dey use your own. Take they compare my own. Mrs. Iyobosa is here living a whole positive lifestyle, okay? So showcasing my belongings and many more. Not be say you marry because say Mrs. Iyobosa marry. Then you come look and say Mrs. Iyobosa marriage, she yours is sweet, it dey nice.
You can't go
wrong. You can't go wrong. You can't not be even back. You can't enter your private jet. Go wrong, marry. You marry finish. Marriage not reach 1 year. You divorce.
6
then
months.
6 months marriage, not even up to marriage. You run, come out, go be baby mama for another man. Then you want come they put your frustration for my body. See, now me, me be unshakable. If you like, carry my name, go everywhere. Carry my name, go give the most craziest
We don't need friend. Don't write I. Don't write I to us.
You know they shake Mrs. Iyobosa.
Don't
At the end of the day, it's only gonna bring me more fame and more followers, which I enjoyed and I love so very much.
And I thank the people that are promoting us. God will bless you in Jesus' mighty name. I pray.
Amen.
And let me say to you something. What I want to tell you, you follow different this thing and try to write my wife I. Why you they won't write my wife I don't already talk for this Facebook. Say me I sign her. My wife no want friend. Me na me sign her. I don't want to see my wife with any friend. I don't want to see my wife with any friend. No friend, don't come my house. I don't agree. You got the okay, maybe the people when he send you no say you they write us I. You want pass corner now come prove their yansh. No prove their yansh.
Mrs. Iyobosa don't need your friendship.
I don't need your friendship. You they beg, you they find old corner. See me way. I tell you say my heart be like rock. Now as I talk them now, I talk them. Me I know they fear them for anybody. One life for life. Me I tell them for you. So, what I try to tell you now is that not they follow all those corners, the right eye, it be like a sticker. I know say you they find way to come back. You want prove their yansh. So I dey let your people know say you want follow back, prove their yansh. You they send sticker, they do my wife eye. If you do my wife eye, now me you do eye. You want come snatch your husband. You want make I give you my hair. You want make I they give you bone straight. You want pass come. Then you can put 1 or 2 both for my food. So that maybe can they follow you like other men where not get here. Me, my year, now 100 over 100. It be like boy. You understand? So wait me, I won't try and tell them for you now. Say you don't have rights, never you. My wife don't need friend. I sign it. Okay?
And I
listen,
and
don't send that sticker.
Agreed.
You understand? Maybe all those your friends now for corner now they don't know say they. You know, say I don't tell people for this Facebook say a lot of people they don't beg. They want to. I say I don't want friend. I'm still saying it. My wife, I said it. My wife, no friend, no enemy. No friend, no enemy. Look at my face where now maybe Iyobosa, help from God. You understand? So you can't shake me.
They don't hear. They don't hear.
So.
They don't hear. So that's it, my people. Okay. Friendship is not by
all
force.
the friends, men I know, she dey pass corner, they come stand sticker. I want come beg. We don't pass many people come beg. We not want friends, okay?
Relationship
not be by
is
force.
not
Not
by
force
force,
yourself.
okay? If person tell you say, I don't want to be your friend, so you have to accept and respect that, okay? Mrs. Iyobosa is not on social media to come and be gossiping or come they do friend where be say it not come from our mind, or then you can't open social media. Then you can't say you want insult Mrs. Iyobosa. You insult Mrs. Iyobosa, insult Mrs. Iyobosa. Then after that, you and Mrs. Iyobosa, una can't settle, una can't be best of friend. Keep that to yourself, your manigi. You know what I mean, okay? Do as many underground wetin be say you want to do as many things where be say you want to do, you understand? At the end of the day, it's not gonna terminate my marriage. It's not gonna change who I am. It's only gonna bring me more fame, more publicity, more popularity, which I so deserve and so desire.
And you make me buy more if you see, because of that. If you see those things, because
keep sharing, guys. Share.
Because of that thing, if you see more bone straight,
free publicity can sweet.
I don't tell you
I
now.
don't even pay €1.
Make I don't tell you now. If you see this December, bone straight what I buy for my wife, in many, not so long. In many were bone straight. You can't make me verse. I can't buy more. So that after my wife does showcase in lifestyle, then I can't bust bundle for my baby head again. More go slow. They say they don't, because of my wife, they don't come out for husband ass. You come out for your husband ass.
I didn't say my husband.
Oh, you don't say your husband ass. Oh, yeah, enjoy. Oh, yeah, twerk. Oh, yeah, enjoy. Oh, yeah, twerk. Oh, yeah, enjoy. Oh, yeah, twerk. Oh, yeah, enjoy. That is money speaking. When you make them for your wife clean, you make them for your wife fine. You see, huh? I dey come good. Let me see it.
Oh God. Publicity where be say you not pay €1 put, it can sweet.
Enjoy them for your fine wife. Maintain your fine wife. Wait till you dey learn for Mrs. Iyobosa war. Maintain them for your fine wife. Go work hard. When you work hard, you go spend money for your fine wife.
I'm a star.
No woman we're not fine. I'm telling all the men today. No woman we're not fine. And they tell all the men today, go and work hard. Take good care of your wife. No woman we're not fine. Now money, now they make woman fine. You understand? So, not be saying you can't come and say, Queen Mrs. Iyobosa, don't make me come out for husband ass. It don't make me come out for when you get Toto. You don't know how to use Toto. I don't just understand. You get Toto, you don't know how to use Toto. Toto, you know what to be Toto. Now Toto say you know they say about this so.
I'm using my weapon properly.
They use the weapon. You get Toto.
I'm using the weapon properly.
You get Toto. You don't know how to use Toto. Toto. Go check the meaning. You know what they do many people, What they do many people? We they go check Oyibo dictionary. Bini, that Nigeria gets their own dictionary. Nigeria dictionary. Go check the meaning of Toto. Toto, a real woman where goes not be to the call her for English. You want to call like say private part. Now those are the killers. Our real English, Nigeria English, go ask them, make they tell the meaning of Toto. If you use your Toto where, Siana, you know they say, come from.
Use your weapon properly.
Weapon of, I they call us destruction.
Must speak English.
Weapon, I be no be so. Make us weapon of.
Not speak that big English.
Weapon of atomic.
I use my property.
Yes, so. I'll be saying you can't sit down.
On the sitcom, Coco Zarina wrote, see the way he's calling Toto, very sexy.
Toto,
1K in the house.
1K in the house. Let's get to 2K. 1K in the house. Let's get to. You understand? So once you use your Toto, well, not be saying you're there from young age. You're there from young age, you can't enter 40, you can't enter 45, you can't enter 50. Wait till you use your toto do. Toto, what do you use and do, Toto?
I'm a honey.
You say you use Toto to come out for husband ass. How you go use Toto come out for husband ass? Women, think twice. You use Toto.
No, which kind
Toto belongs to husband. No,
which kind of topic can be?
Today topic na Toto. What you how you take comment? What you write for this thing?
That cloth where I buy for you.
Oh, why you go write cloth? You for write Toto. Today topic na Toto. You understand so? You understand so? Toto, use Toto where? You gonna get both straight, Toto.
I'm not using my Toto wear for you.
You know they say your Toto very tight. You know they say Toto. You see, a Toto na like her. Nobody for the Europe will not like her. Now like talk from Italy everywhere. Nobody will not like her. A Toto na like her. You go like. You know understand so? Like her. Don't use your Toto. You carry Toto. You say they come up for husband house. How you go carry Toto come up for husband house? Toto belongs to husband. Toto, it belongs to husband, okay?
Yeah, they don't hear loud.
She use her Toto. You know they say now, so now they buy bone straight. Toto, if you use and bust my brain, before I don't know the time I think they spend 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. I don't know. You know, see her now. She bust my head again. I promise why I promise her now. I want to spray her 20,000 on her birthday. Now Toto do one. Toto, use her wear. Toto.
Oh God. Oh Jesus. Okay, honey. Okay, so let's get started, my people. So I got my husband some clothes and Joker Spa. See God, 1.1K DRs. Thank you so much. So I got my husband some beautiful t-shirts. Now, no say last time I bought a lot of baggy for trouser and so many more. So today I bought some branded t-shirt for her, and you go they try them on one after the other. Okay, so now go rate her from 1 to 10. Okay, whether I did okay, whether I did blessed, whether I did nice, am I a good one? Am I a good ass wife, and many more. Okay, comment. Your comment is very, very important. Okay, so my husband.
Yeah.
So may I give you one after the other. Go try this one first, okay? So my people, this one is from Kappa. Okay? This one is from Kappa. Here. Okay? It's from Kappa. Here. From Kappa. Go.
Okay, make I try this one.
Go test and come. Only no make the video not too long. No, go that side, man. You want try and for your
make them see my sexy body. They want me to snatch me.
No. Body why they eat.
Because they want try their tutu now.
Go try and for that side. So may I put music, make I dey use and take the entertain now before I become. Only come put music for me now. Just low, okay? So keep sharing, my people, I'll be one go try the first one, come. Okay, I'll be one put music, okay? Only put music now.
No, one put so.
Okay, so just Augen blink. Thank you so much. I'm Scott. God go bless you. Now they dance, tell the entertain now before I come.
nonsense. So you don't see what your wife buy. Why?
So this
When
is
they
the
say
first
wife,
one.
so what your wife buy for me now?
Turn around so that make them
Nonsense,
return. So I be not follow me go store the day where be say I go buy them, okay?
See what your wife buy.
And the front.
See, you see wife to become a wife.
So write please comment like Kappa. Wetin be your rate, whether na 1, Kappa 2, Kappa 3, Kappa 4, Kappa 5, Kappa 6, Kappa 10. Okay? So comment down below.
You see what your wife buy. You see wife.
Okay, put some may we shake body put small for like a minute, okay? Okay. I'm in love with my body.
Oh, 1.2K in the house. Let's get to 2K. Oh yeah.
Pause, go try the second one. Thank you so much for the stars. Moon every time I start saying that goddaughter is here. Thank you so much, my blessed goddaughter, Sharon Belanosa. I see you and I love you endlessly. So the next one only. Next one. So this one, I can't get this one from Gabichi, okay? So this one too, na brand, okay? So this one I brand also here. If you Google around, okay, it's called GABICCI. And I know say apart from Gucci, Versace, Prada, other brand they will be say not too they popular like that. Just that Gucci, Prada, and all those ones they more expensive. Now because they the year round where okay. So this one is called the Gabishi vintage, okay? So the year where be say the thing start to they exist, where the brand down is since 1973. They never even think. I never even know whether I go come this life by that time. So Obi, go try. No, never remove her in case.
No,
the thing no enter. You know say you never try in case I want go exchange them for bigger size or smaller size. So they have to rate. Through their comment section, we go see the rating. Yeah. So this one.
This one enter.
Yeah. Yes. Put some man they just say they entertain them before you come back. So Abi go come back for the. Thank you so much. I'm Scott. God go bless you. Thank you so much. Tracy Diamond. Tracy Diamond, how is you? Thank you so much for being here. So put music. That's it one. Okay, before I go come back.
It's Young Flight.
Thank you so much. Wow, Grace sent me 200 stars. Grace Uruba, thank you so much, my queen. Okay, pause the video. Pause. So the second one is back with the second one. Thank you so much. Marian Ifuwa, thank you so much. So this is the second one. So zoom so that they'll see the brand for there. So this is the second one. Okay, turn. All right. So am I a good housewife? Am I a good wife to my husband, Mr. Iyobosa, the loving man? So check 1 to 10. So the write this one. Write this one. Just write G, okay? Gabisi, just write G, okay? G. Then G1, G2, G3, G10, G9, G8. So rate on the comment section below. Thank you so very much. So still put small song, but we still dance put for like a minute before you go try the other one. All right. We are the new generation, share the video. Okay, pause. So the third one. So the third one is from Adidas, okay? So the third one is from Adidas. So I like this color so very much. So all the old one way beside back.
Thanks, my star sender.
Don't say Obi never tried them on, but for the color, for the brand and all. So this is my favorite. So it's from Adidas, okay? It's from Adidas. You feel still get them from Sports Checks also. So put song before you come.
This song you enter me where?
This one, you feel so. Okay, yeah, you feel remove the label. Remove the label.
Without being told.
Sis, he go enter. Oh yeah, put song. My they dance. My they entertain them. My come my bone straight for the that's the queen of bone straight. Yeah, so this I have this since 2019. Share the video. Don't come back. All right. Okay, so Abby don't come back. So I'll narrate this one. Write Adidas. If you just write A or write Adidas, okay? Anyone. So I'll not say you stand where where to book where. So I'll not see this one. So like I did see comment for my previous video like na so t-shirt now the man they wear like with the Euro, which other cloth they get for the abroad side? Oh, you want to make my husband come they wear suit or come they wear jalabia because say he want shoot live video. Is what we have in Europe. Now t-shirt or pullover. That is our dressing in Europe. Any other one day. So that's it.
If you need clothes, so, tell me, make I give you. Now clothes.
Okay. Today. So yeah, this is from Adidas. Okay, original branded one. No, if you not the original, carry and comot for my
No,
front.
go there. Go price
okay?
am. Go price
If you
am.
not be original, take and comot for my front.
No be
It's
say
not
shoot
price.
bird in mama
Okay.
fly. No be say shoot bird in mama fly. Go price am.
Okay, so that's it, my people, eh? That only never put on for inside.
Okay.
So me myself, I can't still get this one for me. Normally this one not be waiting.
1K in the house.
Okay. So my people, may I also
Okay, they say your husband too funny. I be old comedian. Oh. Just that I know you like to talk. I be old comedian. Eh?
So me, I can't get this one for me, okay? So I can't get this one. I know say all this kind of pants I they like and wear because now be my style, okay? Tight and t-shirt where they tie, or tight and top where be say you open belly. You know, say when you got the body, when you got the forget about all those condemnation and all. Okay, not a sweet pass, you get that, you know, say you fine, and you they show and you understand, you get that confident, okay? So, as far as I get the fine body to take wear and all, so now cause I just use them. Now you know, now wait till they fit you, now you go they wear. Now a lot of people that say they get them wrong, eh? You go see Mrs. Iyobosa. Mrs. Iyobosa wear t-shirt. You go still say you want still wear t-shirt. If you can't wear that, no come fit you like Mrs. Iyobosa. Automatically, Mrs. Iyobosa na bad person to you. Or Mrs. Iyobosa husband buy and bone straight. You go meet your husband, they drag him for neck, say must buy. Your husband go give you blow for bosa. Say why you
one gunshot on the air.
Instead, where you go agree, say now my long throat, now cause my husband beat me. You come put am for Mrs. Iyobosa head. How long are you continue? How long are you gonna continue like this? How long? Okay. So that's it, my people. Okay, try to be contented with what you have. They talking all the time, right from time they come. Try to be contented, to they contented with what you have. You not feel marry husband. Even people where be say they marry 10 years before me I even marry my own. They want on they long throat for my own marriage. What can they do the way me I they do? You marry your husband. You marry your husband. You know said your husband not be the type where be say if they give her. Some women they don't even know the color of their they don't even know the color of their husband ATM card. Talk of say they want to know the card. They know the pin. You understand? But me now, I know everything. Most of my sometimes my husband card na me they deal with. You understand? So this is the type of husband when me I marry.
The meaning of Toto.
Na Toto see cause that one.
Na Toto cause no.
Na my Toto cause and
all my brain inside this Toto. Toto, all my brain inside this Toto.
Oh God, because you insulted, so you're gonna get blocked, okay? You are kicked out.
Sure, you see, and so that's why. Wait, you make a detective. You know, say when some people, when you go all the old sky, go all the old anywhere where they say that they go, you think say you want stop me for loving my angel. You know they see you reason person where you want stop me for loving.
My husband say. So my third delete so my husband say my own type of pekus in office here elsewhere.
Wait, wait, go. Wait, you they see mama of four. You dey sound so. How you expect me?
That is what they call magi pekus.
With my own sense, you the reason I'm mother of four. You the sound so mother of four.
Okay.
Look like
my own type of magic bekus. My husband not feel see for outside. That is where you not get what you want to do to take spoil the marriage. Then we scatter.
I don't tell you.
I
say my head they inside this Toto. No, if I say brain self, if I say brain, maybe it's still good small. If I say brain, it's still good. All the full head. It is. You know, you know what to be head. Now your Toto follow. Now your head. That is head. Head follow Toto come out. Now me they tell you now say my head no gree come out. Normally head now Toto they follow come out. My own are called worst for the whole world. My head it not gree come out for Toto. He just did inside here. I you want cut one now. All the old daughter for this life, I can't be like this. All the old daughter don't try. No daughter fit. Nah. My head. Decide this too.
Oh yeah, come up for here, Colo husband. Come up for here. Oh God, oh Jesus. So if you dey think and you dey reason and say, make I come insult Mrs. Iyobosa. Make I talk wetin she not be, so that the husband go leave and you are just wasting your time. At the end of the day, you only gonna bring me more fame and popularity.
And buy more bones.
Which a lot of people out there, you understand? Which a lot of people out there, they paid for this. You see, I not even they pay. I just sit down my own. They get my own free publicity and free followers. You see that? You see that? You see that? God sweet. So now, may I show this one last but not the least, okay? Normally today not be my own, but I just say make I show this one because the thing they do me because I want quick wear. Maybe for my next video now I go there. So this one is from Bench, okay? Bench. So now this one be. So Bench, okay? So here. Now I go wear on my next video, okay? So that's it, my people. Only put song. May we dance, may we go, okay? So may we dance, eh? I can't see buy this one for I can't see buy this one for Mimi. Okay? So now this one, now Mimi go wear for her birthday. So we go review this one separately, okay? We go review one separately. And I can't see buy this one for So I can't see buy this one for essay, okay? It's from Kangaroos, okay? So we'll review this one another day. All right? So time not day because I'll be go work soon. So only put music. I'll be soon go work. So may we quit dance, okay? Hey, Nikki Poviki, I love you, my queen. Hello.
Now this one they call Frau. Frau. Oh yeah. Easy. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What are you learning from Mrs. Iyobosa? What do you learn from Mrs. Iyobosa? Not just the wash, without saying you know they learn something. They learn the good side from Mrs. Iyobosa. Okay?
We are the new generation.
Don't be all those old school. Now the new generation, so what do they learn? Okay.
Mrs. Iyobosa's marriage. Go and manage your home. Be contented with what you have. My husband you can't have. Your husband I can't have. Go and manage your home.
A lot of my friends, when they know me well, they keep quiet like this. They don't want to talk. Okay? They know. I don't tell you, I say not be Germany, give me money. You understand? Don't be Germany. So not called a challenge. Okay? Person will work with General for 8 good years. You say you want challenge. Oh yeah, now build a challenge. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Eh? Eh? Oh yeah. Eh? Now 2 fingers like I started the whole ways. 2 fingers.
All I made a scene.
Yeah, 2 fingers. Yeah. 2 fingers. But cover am 4. 2 fingers here. 2. See my hand. 2 fingers. Eh? Sugar, make pweke. Oh, pweke.
Slim and fresh.
Eh? Oh, pweke. You be like today bread. You dey see today bread. Side body dey sweet.
Okay, only name we call
Butter sweet or bread. Butter sweet or bread.
So thank you all so very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all so Bobo Gang worldwide. Thank you all, Mrs. Iyobosa's lovers. Thank you all so much, Mr. and Mrs. Iyobosa's family lovers. We love and appreciate you all so very much. So try to be contented with what you have, okay? So thank you so very much.
Look at our star sender.
Thank you so
God
much.
will bless you.
Jesus, almost 1K stars. Thank you so much, my lovers. Thank you for the stars. We love and appreciate you all.
They are still bringing more. They are still bringing more. You be like, say, I need these stars.
Amazing.
Because I like money.
Amazing. I said more boy. Thank you so much.
I want more entertainment. You be like, say, I
love you. Okay.
Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Love you all.
Okay, bye.
Cheers.